What do you think is the biggest crisis when it comes to mental health that is being overlooked?
Ooh, the biggest crisis in mental health that's being overlooked.
Yeah, kind of like not talked about enough, underrated, I guess.
I think the cost. I think that's a big one that people know of, but it's not overly discussed.
Like financial or
Yeah,
when
like
it
being
comes
able
to
to,
yeah,
people who, there's so many people who I come across who need or want therapy,
hmm
but they don't do it because of how expensive it can be.
Yeah,
Or
that's
they
real.
don't know how to access it, like through their
Yes.
insurance. I think that's a giant one.
Dang.
That there's so many people who need it or want it, but they don't do it because of, I don't know how. They just assume how expensive it's going to be.
Mm.
Or they find out, they call one therapist and like, oh, it's going to be $250
Mm.
for a session. And they're like, I can't afford that.
Yeah.
So they just don't do it. But knowing that's probably on the top end of the range when there's therapists who charge a lot less.
Sure.
I think that's one. If we could get that out to the public, that it doesn't have to be as costly.
Yes.
But then also from a more macro level, I mean, there is things that need to be done with health insurance and how we view mental health and how we can make it more affordable.
hmm
That is a huge one.
Yeah, I love that.
Agree or disagree?
Yeah, I agree, 100%. Yeah. No, it's really just I've looked into therapy as well in the past of the big sites like I think it's BetterHelp and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
They're like, yeah, $200 a month, and I'm like, I could do it, but it's emptying the wallet pretty
For
quickly,
sure.
you know.